I'm going to show you how you can make a budget with Quicken Classic. Now from the home screen here, you just have to go to home there. Now once you go to home, you can see you could just have to go to main view. Now once you go to main view, you just have to tap on budget you're spending here. You can see it only takes 5 minutes to complete. It'll automatically create a budget to track your top spending areas. Now if you want to get started, just tap on the big blue button there, get started. Now once you get started, you can see it's the blue button there, just tap on that. Now, once here, you can create a new budget. You can give it a budget name. Now, for example, here, mine is budget 1, right? You can also configure the advanced budget setting right there. And then after you're happy with everything, so the budget name, if you want to do extra budget settings as well, tap on advanced budget settings, just tap on OK to continue. Now, after that, you can see this is what it will look like. Your budget is now created. So my budget was $2,500. I spent around 1/3 of it, and now there's only $1,400 left, right? So that's it. That's the full budget. You can go to the full budget by tapping on that button right there, but that's basically it. Your budget is now created on Quicken.